Indians make up over 70% of the H-1B visa recipients. Now it is this dominance of India that has caught the attention of MAGA Republicans. This camp is now arguing against Indian tech workers using the same logic they apply to low-skilled migration from Mexico and Central America. During his first presidency, Trump was very vocal about scrapping the program. You see, the American working class has long been hit by unemployment, low wages, inflation, and a housing crisis. Election talk often blames low-skilled migrants for taking jobs and lowering wages. And Trump has tapped into anti-immigrant sentiment, extending his jobs are being stolen rhetoric to skilled workers in high-paying roles. But this time, he has completely shifted his stance, backing his allies Elon Musk and Vivek Ramaswamy in supporting the visa program. These allies have also called for reforms in the H-1B visa program. Many tech companies are often accused of using the H-1B visa program to hire mid-level workers at lower pay than Americans. And it's not entirely wrong. There was an analysis which showed that in 2023, nearly 70% of H-1B visas granted to Indian professionals in the US were for jobs paying under $100,000 per year. And to put things in perspective, the median salary for IT professionals in the United States was around $104,000. So, does that mean that skilled migration from countries like India and China are actually bad for American citizens? Well, there's a twist.
Investments in debt securities, municipal debt securities, securitized debt instruments are subject to risk, including delay and/or default in payment. Read all the offer-related documents carefully.